Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fit and fine, enjoying at home. Please go through these videos because we are putting much effort to make these videos. And today in GK, this is your GK class, and in GK we are going to study chapter 20. And the heading of the chapter is always in plural. And the noun you have studied. When we talk about one, it is singular, and when we talk about more than one noun, it is plural. Now some things, certain nouns that are always in plural form, that we are going to study today. The examples of some nouns which is always in plural form. Either they are in twos, means a pair, or two part. That type of nouns we are going to study today. See, there are certain nouns that are always in the plural form. Here see, it is from the, wait 1 minute. One second. See here, a pair of lenses in a frame people wear to see more clearly. It is not for one eye, it is two eye. That's why it is called pair of lenses. Two lenses are here, and whichever thing is paired in two, it is plural. So it is called a pair of lenses. And what is pair of lenses called? I am wearing spectacles, and it is spectacles. SPECTACLES. It is clear here? Now we will go to next. And see, whenever we wear any type of pants to cover our lower part of our body, whether it is capri, hot pant, trousers, it is always in two part, in twos. So it is always written in plural. Trousers, TROUSERS. Jewelry worn on lobes of ears. And when we wear on the lobes of ear, we wear two. You can see mine also in both the ears. So it is always written in plural, and it is earrings. EARRINGS. Here is, we use it to cut paper or cloth, and the picture of scissor is given. And here see, it is the two part of scissor which cross each other. While crossing, they cut the cloth. So it is always called a pair of scissor, not scissor or one, because it is having two part, and when both of this part cross each other, then only you can cut the cloth or paper. So it is called scissors, and it is always written in plural. See here, Chinese use them to eat with. Chinese, you will see always they are eating this type of noodles type of thing. So they pick up with these sticks, it is called chopsticks also, with this stick, and they eat. And it is always in one pair, means one they need both the hand, they pick it like this, and then they eat. Both the hand is also needed to use the chopsticks. And it is written chopsticks, not chopstick, because they don't use one stick. Always it is used in pair, means two pieces. That's why it is called chopsticks. And it is usually used to eat noodles type of thing. These are the trousers made of strong cotton cloth called denim, and I think all of you wear this, and this is called jeans. And as I have told, there are two part, means these things are in pair, or means two part: pant, trouser, pajama, salwar, or capri, hot pants. These are always in two parts. That's why it is written in twos, plural. Now I will see the next example. A device which make things in the distance look nearer, and it is called binocular. And it is called a pair. If you will see the English dictionary, a pair of binocular, because we see with both the eyes, and for both the eyes there are two different lenses. That's why when it is not binocular, but when we talk about this, we say a pair of binocular. So this makes it plural. I have already explained that the things which are in pair or in two part, this is in two part, that is always written in plural. Next is dark glasses to protect the eyes from the sun. And my dear, you will see everyone wearing in these days. Right now we are not going out of the home, but usually in this weather we use dark glasses. Otherwise what happens while walking, means especially when we do foot walk, it is too hot and our eyes are not able to see the distance, and when we wear these dark glasses it looks a little bit shade type of thing, okay, shady. So it is very comfortable for us in summer season. And it is written goggles, GOGGLES. And here also you can see it is in two part, that's why it is in plural. Here see, a covering for hand, worn for protection against cold or dirt, and it is gloves, because it is used in twos, two, a pair of gloves. And right now you will see in each and every hospital people are using this, so that their hands should not touch any unwanted things. And all the health workers, especially I can say, especially all the health workers are also using gloves. And we should also use gloves, my dear, if we are going to give and take something frequently. They are soft shoes worn indoors. Shoes is also written in plural, and soft, which indoor we wear, we call it slippers. That is also in a pair. So both the things, whichever thing we wear in our feet, that shoes, slippers, boots, it is always in a pair. That's why it is written in plural. Now let us see the next work. Oh, here is read the clues and write the answers. See, either than book, here is, we use this to go up and down in the building. And what we use? stairs, so it is stairs is always written in plural. We use this with our mobile, and right now I am using this, you can see in my video. And what is it? Headphones. And it is always in two part, one part and two part. That's why it is always written in plural. Headphones. Stairs. Stair is not single, it will always be more than one. We see it in the sky after sunset, and what we see? Moon, but moon is alone, so it is moon. And when we see the stars, it is too many, isn't it? We are unable to count, and it is not a single star. As I have written wrong spelling, my dear ones. Stars. Okay, and we see in the sky after, and stars are always written in plural. Dark glasses to protect the eyes from the sun, and which we have already written goggles. We deposit it in bank, and what we deposit? When we get money, whatever is left over, savings. So savings is the word which we use for the money which we have saved from our monthly use, that we deposit in the bank, and it is always written in plural form. Now see, we use this to cut paper or cloth, and already you have studied scissor. One second. A covering of hand worn for protection of cold and dirt, and right now we are using it for the protection of virus also. And what it is? Gloves, isn't it? Jewelry worn on the lobes of the ears, and already we have done, it is earring. Now my dear, first of all you will write in the first line chapter 20. In the second line you will write always in plural the heading of the chapter, always in plurals. Here you will write HW and date, and then you will do your work, okay, in very neat and clean handwriting. Thank you once more, my dear.